Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install custom recovery on Samsung Galaxy S22. Okay, first we gotta unlock the bootloader on our phone. To do it, open the settings, go to connections, and connect to available network. Hit the connect button. Go back, scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, Software Information, and also it is really important that you need to have a lower version of One UI. You cannot have 8.0 or any, I think that 8.0 is the latest, but you need to have the versions below 8.0, because if in One UI 8th version, unlocking the bootloader is impossible, and that's the thing that we need to do. I have One UI 7, so it will fully work, but if you have the One UI 8, it won't work. If you have versions below 8, it will work. Now, go to Software Information and tap on the build number a few times in a row and click on OK to enable developer mode. Also, you can go to Security and Privacy, and for now you can turn off the auto blocker. Now scroll all the way down, click on Developer Options, scroll down, and you need to enable OEM unlocking feature. Our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet. We'll do it in a few seconds in a special menu, but you need to be aware that if you unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and everything will be erased, so you can create a backup of the data right now. Okay, now we need to power off the device, so hold power key and volume down, and click on power off. You also need to have an USB-C cable that is connected to your computer. And now, we need to hold both volume keys at the same time. And now insert the cable. Don't release volume keys, keep holding them until you see this menu. Now start holding volume up and confirm by clicking volume up to unlock the bootloader. Okay, bootloader is unlocked. For now we can unplug the cable, and in the meantime we need to download a few things. First, visit our page, HardReset.Info. You can see the link right in here. Go to download section and type Samsung drivers, click on search, select Samsung drivers and hit the download button. Then type Odin, click on search, download the latest version, 3.14.4, also click the download button, and then type ADB, click on search, and select Mini ADB and Fuzzbot with drivers, and also hit the download button. Now go back to, now we need to open up a new tab. The link will be in the description. Open up the folder with the custom recovery, and we need to download those two files, patched vbmeta and TWRP. That's our custom recovery. Right-click download and standard download, both files. Okay, then go to the downloads, and we have our ADB drivers, Odin app, and Samsung drivers. We need to extract those three files, so right-click, you can use WinRAR, click on extract to. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. All three files, remember about it. Now open up the folder with the Samsung drivers, double click, and you'll have to install the Samsung drivers. In my case, they're already installed, so I'm not going to install them once again. But in your case, if you are installing them for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation of the drivers. Now open up ADB drivers, double click, select ADB setup, press Y on your keyboard, enter, Y, enter, Y and enter. Okay, then go to Android ADB Fastboot, click on next. In my case it's also installed, so I'll select repair. In your case it will look a little bit different, but the whole installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to tap next, 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 and then it will be installed. So I'll select repair, finish, and then universal ADB driver setup. Also select repair. You'll have to install those things in the exact order that I have shown you. So you need to begin with ADB setup and then end with ADB driver setup. Go from the bottom to the top. Okay. Now we can power off our phone. Hold power key and volume down. And select power off. Now, we need to open up the Odin. Double click and launch the program. Click on OK. And we need to enter the download mode on our device. Again, hold both volume keys, insert the cable to your phone that is also connected to your computer. And now click on volume up. And we are in download mode. Also, it is really important that under IDCOM in here, where I'm pointing at with my mouse, you need to see those numbers. If you see them, everything is okay. It means that our phone is successfully and properly connected with the Odin, with our computer, and everything will work. Now go to Options, unselect everything, click on AP, go to Downloads, select TWRP, click on Open, click User Data, and select Patched vbmeta, open, and click on Start. It has started, as you can see. And if you see the big green button pass, it means that everything worked. Now let's enter our new recovery. We gotta hold power and volume down for a few seconds until the screen turns off. Now hold power and volume up. And when Samsung logo appears, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. Thanks to that, we'll open up our new recovery, just like that. Now click on Wipe. Format data, type the word yes. Okay, now click on Back. Go to Advanced, Terminal, and type multi disabler. Now it's going to take a little bit, so we gotta be patient. Okay, it has finished, as you can see. So now we can go back. And now we are basically ready to use our new custom recovery. We can now install, for example, custom ROM. We can create a backup, install other things. We are ready to use our TWRP. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.